Good morning. It's great to see all of you for our March Reward Assembly. We're going to get started in just a moment, but I know many of you have been asking, since today is Book Character Theme Day, what book character I'm dressed as. And it's Anne of Green Gables. Has anyone here read Anne of Green Gables? Oh my. Okay. So for those of you that have not, when you are ready, this is an amazing book, and it's a book series. I remember I spent one summer walking to the bookstore and walking to the library trying to find all the different books that I wanted to read about Anne and about other characters like Anne. So Laura Ingalls from the Little House on the Prairie series. All of those books I just loved. My mom said she thought I was probably, in another life, I was part of a colonial time period. Because you can kind of tell. I kind of like the dress. I like a lot about that time period. So, Anne of Green Gables, when you are ready, I highly recommend this book. Now, on to our assembly. We have from Mrs. Chewy's class. Joining us, we have Clara and Logan. And Logan is going to join us in the flag salute. Please stand.
Raise the flag. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin.
Thank you, everyone. All right, so I see a lot of other book characters here today. I see a lot of Harry Potters. I see a Diary of a Wimpy Kid. I see a few piglets and maybe a wolf. So thank you for all of you who participated. Oh, and some princesses. I love it. So thank you for everyone who participated today. All right, let's review. I know in your classrooms you've talked a lot this week about our SOAR expectations. So let's review together what it means to soar at Valley View. S. O.
Offer kindness.
A.
Act responsibly.
And R.
Respect others.
I love it. It's really important that as we work together, we remember all of those expectations, especially offering kindness and working with each other and thinking about how we can all be here together, learning and playing and doing everything as we're supposed to so that everyone has a great experience. Speaking of soaring and soar slips, we have our recipients for the month of March. All right, now for the prize box, which you will come up at your recess to grab from, we have from TK, Christian, from kindergarten, Delaney and Michael, from first grade, William, Priyana, Joshua, and Sebastian.
Which William?
And from third grade, sorry, second grade, no one picked this time. From third grade, Adonis and Hansa. Congratulations. And for the playground ball, Marty B. from kindergarten. Congratulations. Why don't you go hand this to your teacher and she'll give it back to you. Thank you. And let's see, we have one more recipient for the Target gift card. Giselle from 3rd grade. Congratulations, come and get it. All right, so keep earning those source slips. We appreciate it every time that you earn one. All right, on to our Students of the Month. For the month of March, the character theme is trustworthiness. And I know a lot of students, not just ones getting certificates today, show every day to their friends and to their teacher that they are trustworthy. So they can be trusted to do things the right way, they can be trusted to do their work, and to be a good friend to others. So when I call your name, please come up front and line up. And then remember, at the end of the reward assembly, you're going to come back up again to have your picture taken. All right, so from TK, we have Nora Ringnup. From Miss Purcell's class, Haley Kim. From Miss Niskovska's class, Isla Talbot. From Miss Kerluian's class, Alessandra Hosina. From Miss Fitzgibbon's class, Scarlett Heish. From Mrs. Gonzalez's class, Grace Nestor. From Miss Sharif's class, Jaden Choi. From Ms. Jenks' class, Nyla Richardson. From Ms. Park's class, Beatrix Davern. From Mrs. Bringus's class, Hansa Reedy. From Ms. Ravetta's class, Charlotte Yang. And from Mrs. Bowler's class, Isabel Duenas. All right, please give our Students of the Month for March a big round of applause. All right, please be seated. All right, thank you. Now we're going to move on to our Personal Success Awards. Again, when your name is called, please come up. From Mrs. Barnett's class, for great effort, Fiona Sarskov. From Mrs. Purcell's class, Dean Stewart. From Mrs. Dawson's class, London Hughes. Thank you. And teachers, I noticed some of these I did not sign, so please give them back and I'll sign them today. Sorry about that. All right, from Mrs. Kerluian's class, Noah Song. From Mrs. Fitzgibbon's class, Reuben Lee. From Mrs. Gonzalez's class, Evan Ng. From Oh, also from Mrs. Gonzalez's class, because we didn't get them last month, we have Mia Gonzalez. Congratulations. From Ms. Sharif's class, Riley Laura. From Ms. Jenks' class, Grace Pizano Ramirez. From Ms. Park's class, Ella Marcosian. From Mrs. Bringus's class, Zachary Paguia. From Ms. Rivetto's class, Indy Aguano. And from Mrs. Weller's class, Isaac Coe. All right, let's give our Personal Success Award recipients a big round of applause. All right, please be seated. All right, thank you. Before we sing our Valley View song, we mentioned these students, I believe, a couple months ago. They had entered the Reflections Art Contest through the PTA and had been selected to be the moving on to the Glendale Council. And it looks like, presented from the Glendale Unified School District, these students have earned these certificates for moving on to the Glendale Council level. And we need to congratulate Aiden Rahoman and Cadence McClanahan. Congratulations, and hopefully we will be able to see what you submitted once it's returned, but congratulations for all of your hard work and for moving on past the Valley View level onto the district level for the Reflections competition. Congratulations. All right, now let's get ready to sing our Valley View song. Before we do that though, just a reminder, today is going to be another very warm day. So make sure you are using your water bottles or the drinking fountains to stay hydrated and cool. Stay in the shade if you need to. It looks like on Monday we're going to be cold and raining, but today we've got summer weather. So we'll enjoy it while we can. Please stand now for the Valley View song.
Let us sing to the colors of Valley View, to the white and the blue. We will always be true to our friends, to our teachers, to those that we knew. Hooray, hooray for Valley View. I spent this time at this our school, and I learned, I hope it's teaching well, the skills to do, the courage to try, to work and to learn for all of our lives. Let us sing to the colors of Valley View, to the white and the blue. We will always be true to our friends, to our teachers, to those that we knew. Hooray, hooray for Valley View. Thank you.
Thank you, Clara. All right. I hope you all have a great rest of your Friday and a great weekend. And please give your attention to your teachers.